Hey guys, Burp Queen here. So, today I will be burping with my mouth closed, as some of you have asked for me to do, so I guess I'll do it. Or I'll try. That was interesting. I don't know if you can hear it though. I can hear it, obviously. Okay, I don't know if you can hear that. I'll check if you can hear it. I'm only uploading this if you can hear it, so. Okay, I'll try it one last time. That was a good one. Okay, so that was me burping with my mouth closed. I hope you guys could hear it. I'll just turn the volume up if you couldn't, but yeah. And yes, my hair is brown now. Natural color. So, bye.